Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Shopify authentication code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, head over to Shopify's homepage. It's here where every journey into the management of our online store begins. Here's where the setup for your authentication code starts to get real. Click on My Store, then on your store's name displayed at the top. This option is neatly tucked away, but is your portal to modifying various account settings, including security, our prime concern today. Within the account management area, find and click on Security. With the security options open, scroll down, and you're looking for the Turn On Two-Step Authentication feature. Shopify provides a few options for two-step authentication, but today we're focusing on Google's 2FA, Two-Factor Authentication feature. Before you can activate this feature, Shopify will require you to re-authenticate your decision. Click Re-authenticate to confirm your identity. Finally, you'll see the option to turn on two-step authentication. By selecting this, you're adding an essential layer of protection to your Shopify account. What this means is that every time you log in, Shopify will require a code generated by Google Authenticator in addition to your password. This code is nearly impossible for attackers to predict, thereby significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access to your account. And that's it. So that is how you can get Shopify authentication code. So that's all for this video. Thanks.